Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Dr. Homeo. Hope you're all doing good. Let's move into our topic today. Friends, today I'm going to discuss about the most interesting topic for you all, that is the stress. Yes, day-to-day life lo మనం వింటూనే ఉంటాము, and whenever we consult a doctor and whenever we ask for a reason for the problem, doctor will suggest you that make your stress levels down. So stress అనేది it is not only a psychological trouble, it affects the physiological, it affects the biological um, health. సో స్ట్రెస్ అనేది ఏంటి, వాట్ ఆర్ ద కాజెస్ ఫర్ ద స్ట్రెస్, వాట్ ఆర్ ద సోర్సెస్ ఆఫ్ స్ట్రెస్ అండ్ హౌ ఇట్ ఎఫెక్ట్స్ ద హెల్త్ కండిషన్స్ అనే దాని గురించి మనం ఈరోజు కొంచెం బ్రీఫ్గా తెలుసుకుందాం. సో ఇన్ వన్ లైన్ వీ కెన్ సే దట్ ద సిగ్నిఫికెంట్ సోర్స్ ఆఫ్ స్ట్రెస్ ఈజ్ చేంజ్. ఎస్, లైఫ్ యొక్క ఈవెంట్స్లో ప్రతి ఒక్క చేంజ్కి దట్ లీడ్స్ టు స్ట్రెస్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, a student studies is different and job is different. So the employer who is newly joined to the job will undergo the new change. The atmosphere which is around him or her is a change. So the stress యొక్క sources చూస్తే కనుక మనము like the most significant source is change. For example, I'll just make you know what is the source. అంటే చేంజ్ వల్ల ఏంటి అంటే, student will enter into a college life, that is a change. A girl will enter into a married life, or a woman who enters into a married life, the environment is change for her. So the significant source for a stress is a change. For example, the pregnancy is also one of the reason for the stress. So till then the woman is a normal, and now she is carrying a fetus or a baby in her womb. So the change will definitely leads to a stress. Day to day life we will undergo many types of many events in our life. So every individual will undergo the stress. This stress is one of the reason for multiple diseases. So doctor will always suggest you, that make your stress levels down. So everyone will have stress in their own life, in their own way. For example, a problem is there, that problem is simple to one individual, and that may be magnified and look into a huge problem by the another person. So the individual will react to the same problem in different manner. For example, stress will impact not only the health biological changes, it also impacts the behavioral changes. Means stress అనేది behavioral changesకి కూడా దారి తీస్తుంది. సో బఫెర్డ్ సైల్, he is a Canadian scientist అండి. సో through his experiments he explained the health body's response to the stress in 3 levels. So general adaptation syndrome, he has given the name general adaptation syndrome. So in this explanation, in this experiment, in this experiment he explained the body's response. అంటే స్ట్రెస్కి ఎప్పుడైతే బాడీ ఎక్స్పోజ్ అవుతుందో హౌ ఇట్ రియాక్ట్ అనే దాని గురించి హీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ అనమాట. సో హీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ఇట్ ఇన్ 3 steps. Number 1 is alarm, and number 2 is adaptation, number 3 is exhaustion. So the general adaptation syndrome by Buffer-Seil and Hans-Seil. Here you can see the 3 stages of the stress, and the first stage is alarm reaction, means the body's reaction against the stress or any other scared situation or any type of stress. And in stage 2 means it is the body's resistance against the type of any type of stress. And in stage 3, if the stress continues for a longer duration, means you can see the arrow here, the time duration of stress. If the stress continues for a longer duration, the organisms or the organs in the body gets exhausted. That is the 3 stages explained by the Buffer-Seil and Hans-Seil. And this is the graphical representation of stress resistance in the alarm reaction, the normal level of stress resistance, and the exhaustion. And the general adaptation syndrome, you can see that in clearly that alarm stage, the stressor upsets homeostasis or cellular balance.
So the homeostasis or a cellular balance that is maintaining in the normal level in our body. So for example, if a body gets, if a person gets scared or gets feared, so the pulse rate gets rises, the BP means blood pressure will get rises, and the heart rate will get rises. The normal level of the homeostasis, we will call that as a homeostasis, and the cellular balance gets disturbed, that is the alarm stage. And whenever the same situation faced by the person, next for the second stage he will get resistance for that, means body fights back by adjusting to the stress. So the body gets resistance and it will get accommodate with that situation. And whenever the situation means the stress or any stress levels will get continued for longer period, that leads to the exhaustion stage, where the rest permits enhanced adaptation, means the exhaustion stage is reached whenever the stress levels is for the longer period. Next comes the effects of stress. You can see here the stress will give its effects on the multiple organs, starting from brain to the skin. So in brain it causes the insomnia, headaches, irritability, anxiety and depression. These are all related to the nervous system. And the hair, excessive hair loss and baldness, and mouth, oral ulcers and excessive dryness. Coming to heart, cardiovascular disease and hypertension, and lungs, it exacerbate asthmatic condition. So it affects on the reproductive organs, even menstrual disorders and recurrent vaginal infections in women, and impotence and premature ejaculation in men. These are all the effects of the stress. And coming to the skin, outbreak of skin problems such as eczema and psoriasis, so called, you all know that conditions, psoriasis and eczema. These are all due to the stress. And the digestive tract, coming to the GIT, diseases of the digestive tract including gastritis, stomach ulcers and irritable colon. And the muscles also, neck and shoulder pain, musculoskeletal aches, low back ache. These are all the few almost the stress will have its effect on the multiple organs.
I will just give you a pictorial explanation also how the stress will affect the health, and that leads to the infectious diseases. So definitely the stress will give impact on the central nervous system. Definitely the stress will also leads to the improper medical health practices. For example, smoking cigarettes, taking alcohol, and poor diet, taking a poor diet. These all comes under the stress. So this definitely leads to the ill health and the infectious diseases to our body.
Next comes the how the stress will change the immune system and how it affects the immune system, that leading to the diseases. This is a brief a linkage of a stress to the disease. So whenever a stress events is prolonged and exposed by the body, it affects on the central nervous system, CNS innervation. So the repeated stress will definitely have its effect on the immune system, so that leads to the immune change. So we have already discussed about the immune system. It is nothing but the security system of our body. It acts like a security system. So whenever a pathogen or a foreign substance enters our body, it kills the foreign substances through the T cells, B cells and the natural killer cells. These are all the many natural killer cells in our body which protects our cells, which protect our body from the pathogens. So whenever the immune systems gets weakened, that automatically leads to the infectious disease, that automatically leads to a diseased condition. So that is the reason why the stress affects the immune system and that leads to a disease. We are all very familiar that cancer is one of the most dangerous and It is the most common diseases prevailing in the like America and UK, whatnot, for in every foreign countries. So we can see that for the treatment of the cancer, psychotherapy is one of the most used treatment. So psychotherapy is nothing but giving a counseling, giving boost up, giving confidence to the cancer patients, so that the lifespan will be increased in the cancer patients. So this is how the cancer patients are given the psychotherapy. Next comes the neuroendocrine. The stress will affects the neuroendocrine organs, means the hormonal levels will be raised and imbalanced, either raised or decreased. So overproduction of the hormones, adrenaline, cortisol, will leads to the depressed immune system. And it also affects the health practices, as I said, taking smoking, taking alcohol, cigarette smoking, and social coping. Lastly, social coping means nothing but the behavioral changes, as I said. So the stress will give impact on the behavioral changes. You can see some people either in working place or at home in our families, some people will behave in such a manner that the reflection of stress we can observe in them. So these are all the effects where from the stress it affects the CNS, neuroendocrine, and the health practices and social coping, that ultimately leads to the lowered immune system and the infectious diseases in our body.
So how to prevent the stress? For every problem there is a solution. So either by knowingly or unknowingly, many people are not aware that how to give a good diet to the body, how to make a peaceful life, how to make our mind free, stressless, giving a proper diet to the body, giving a physical exercise to the body, and making our mind stressless means, as I said, కొంతమంది ఒక ప్రాబ్లమ్ని చిన్నగా చూస్తారు, అదే ప్రాబ్లమ్ని ఇంకొకరు పెద్దగా చూస్తారు. దే విల్ మ్యాగ్నిఫై. సో గైస్, బీ పాజిటివ్ ఆల్వేస్. ప్రతి సిచ్యువేషన్లో కూడా మనం పాజిటివిటీని చూస్తే కనుక వీ నెవర్ గో ఇన్ టు అ స్ట్రెస్ఫుల్ మేనర్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, someone is always blaming you that you are something, you are different, and so you have to take that in a positive way, that they are feeling you are better than them. సో ఇలా ప్రతి సిచ్యువేషన్లో మనం పాజిటివిటీని చూస్తే కనుక, ఈవెన్ ద failure situations, even if you are failure at any life events, at your life events, that means that is not good for you, that something better one is waiting for you. So that ila prati situations lo, if you go for a positive thinking, you will spread definitely positivity to the people surrounding you. సో ప్రతి దాంట్లో నెగిటివిటీని వెతుక్కుంటూ ఉండేవాళ్ళు ఆల్వేస్ దే విల్ ఫీల్ ద స్ట్రెస్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ద జెలస్ పీపుల్, యాజ్ ఏ సైడ్, బిహేవియరల్ చేంజెస్ ఎలా వస్తుంది అంటే, బిహేవియర్ చేంజెస్ ఖచ్చితంగా మనం చూస్తే కనుక రోజువారీలో ప్రతి ఒక్క మనిషిని చూస్తూ ఉంటాము. ఒకరిని చూస్తే దే విల్ ఫీల్ జెలస్. some may feel that they have more property than them. సో ఇలా ఏంటంటే, మనం స్ట్రెస్ఫుల్ లైఫ్ని లీడ్ చేసినప్పుడు బిహేవియరల్ చేంజెస్ కూడా వస్తాయి. So guys, think positive, be positive, and live and let live.